Hello, Scott Moore here, visual storyteller and seminar speaker for the American Horse Publications Regional Workshop held in Lexington, Kentucky. In our first video, we talked about tools of the trade. In our second video, we talked about tips on shooting, and now I want to talk about something very important, and that's natural sound. What is natural sound? Natural sound is all around us. In your case, it may be the announcer on the PA at a horse event. It may be the horse itself making a noise. It may be a crowd cheering. All these are important sounds. And trust me, when you bring that natural sound in like this, your viewers are going to notice, and it's going to bring them into the story. Nat sound is one of those things you leave a story and you forget to do. But if you look hard enough, you'll find natural sound. Natural sound will not only enhance your story, but it also will give you a little break to move from one subject to another. Well, I hope this video and all the videos have been a help to you. Once again, I appreciate your time.